So maybe some of the future homeowners are curious about the prices and computation that we have, no ma'am? So mga magkano ba yung mga APITONG and AGOHO natin right now, 2024 March?
Yeah. As of now, we have the price of the APITONG, which ranging from 2.3 million. And also for the AGOHO, we have 3 million, ranging from 3 million. It depends on the lot area of the buyer that they will like to reserve. But actually, yung mga model units that are yung mga in-offer natin dito mga units is possible siya. Finance through Pag-ibig, bank financing, we do also a deferred cash payment and spot cash payment.
So our unit owners or future buyers are they do have the option to choose from kung ano yung magiging payment terms nila, no ma'am? And I believe naka-promo tayo ngayon.
Yes, we have a existing promo. We have a background blank before last year. We will offer it po ng 18 months to pay for the down payment.
That was before.
That was before. And this 2020 to 2024, we have a promo from 18 months. We extended our down payment terms into 24 months.
So mga magkano na lang on a monthly?
Ayan, on a monthly basis para sa mga
APITONG. 24 months.
Ayan, para sa mga APITONG model, is 24 months yung ating magiging down payment. Nasa 27,946 na lang.
Yung monthly amortization nila, no? For 24 months.
This is the down payment first.
Down payment stage. And then after the down payment stage, of course, pwede nga silang mamili if Pag-ibig or bank.
For the monthly amortizations through Pag-ibig financing para sa APITONG natin, for 30 years, alam mo ba, Sir Alan, it is 11,047.44 lang per month.
So, ganun ka-affordable for as low as 11,000. Pwede ka nang magkaroon ng bahay. Kasi it's just like a rent-to-own scheme, but technically, of course, it will be financed through Pag-ibig. But parang it seems na nag-renta ka lang din, no ma'am? But you can call it your own home. Diba? So, again, we still have few available slots. That's why feel free to message us for more details so that we could further discuss yung mga payment terms na gusto nyo. So, for more information and details about this project, feel free to message us. And don't forget to follow, like, and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So just hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever we release new uploaded videos and real estate market trends.